Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, man. We had a different scene today, man. We had a little truck show event, man. It's due to a cause. So we got a lot of trucks out here, man. We got mini trucks out here. We got big trucks. Man, it's a lot of trucks out here. So what we about to do, guys, we're gonna go ahead and get out here, man, and I gotta get this footage for y'all, man. So I appreciate y'all for tuning in on every video, man. I appreciate all the love and support, comments as well, guys. Y'all been commenting now, so I appreciate that, man. But also, man, share the videos, hit that like button, subscribe, do all that great stuff. Giveaway is coming up here pretty soon. I will be letting you guys know about the giveaway, and also I will be doing notification shout outs as well. So I appreciate y'all for that, man. So with that being said, man, let's quit talking and let's get out there, man, and so I can get y'all this film, man. All right, I'll see y'all. But we got a lot of trucks out here, man. We got a lot of mini trucks, everything out here, man. So yes sir, man. Y'all see it, man. But look at this custom one right here though. Y'all look at the paint. Look at the paint. Man, that, oh, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard right there, man. Yeah, y'all see the buttons in the dash though. You got the sunroof. He got the buttons on the arm wrestle. Man, that's done good. I like that. That's done nice. Look at that big lip though. That's clean. I got the tank right there. Got the buttons on the tank. Yes sir. Man, this is cool. Man, look at this. This is all customed out, dude. All customed out. Y'all pay attention to the details. Look at that. Clean, man. That's dope. Y'all see it, man. And looking dope too, boy. Y'all look at the wheels on there. He got the wheel wood, so he doing it right. He got the wheel wood on there. Got the interior. Interior nicely done. You got the sunroof up there. And y'all see it, man. This thing is sick. Sick, man. Nicely done. This is perfect. Look at that. Y'all see it, man. Nice lip. Big lip. Big lip. Got the bags on there. Got the Impala. That's clean too, man. I like that. Heck yeah, man. I ain't never seen one of these up close, but this is a clean car right here, boy. Got that long hood on there. This is considered as a real car right here. That's dope. Clean. The interior though. Gotta have the red guts, man. Gotta have the red guts. That's dope too. All that in there. Airbag system. Big wheel, man. Y'all see it. The only way to go. Big wheel status. Yes, sir. I haven't seen one of these in a minute, y'all. We got the big wheel on here too. Look like some intros or something. That's dope. Oh yeah. They going all out, y'all. Big wheel. Big wheel, man. Big wheel. You good?
First, let people know that they can come in.
So, y'all see it, man. This is a C10 truck, man, Chevy. This thing is nice, man. Y'all look at the details. Y'all look at the details, though, man. That is like perfectly done. Look at the top. That's clean, man. Y'all see the wood in the back? That's dope, man. This is what you call the nicely built 100% custom. Yeah, they didn't play no games with this one. Hey man, y'all drop a comment down below, man. Which one was your best truck that y'all seen out here, man? Which one would you say that was the best truck, man? Go ahead and shoot me a comment down below. Let me know, man. This video is pretty much over. Appreciate y'all for tuning in, and make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, man. We going up all 2020, man, and 2021, so y'all just tune in. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all, man. With that being said, King's Life checking out with another video. This is it. I'll see y'all.